Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go over the Intro to Probability homework. For our first question, suppose you have two dice, a green die and a purple die, like in the picture here. There are 36 possible outcomes from rolling the dice, as shown in the table. So on the rows here, we have the outcome of the purple die, and on the columns, we have the outcome of the green die. And then for each little ordered pair here, we have the purple number and the green number. So each of these 36 outcomes here are equally likely. Consider the experiment of rolling the two dice. For each event below, list the outcomes that belong to the event and calculate the probability of the event. Okay, so for the first question here, both dice roll 1. There's only one outcome that's like this, and it's just 1, 1. So my cat has just arrived, and so if you hear any yowling from now on, he's a little bit upset that I'm not paying attention to him. So the probability here is going to be probability of both roll 1. I'm just going to call the event like that, and then P parentheses, and then the event. This is function notation, so the probability of both rolling 1. So there's only one outcome that's like that, and then there are 36 total outcomes for any outcome of the two dice. Okay, number 2, both dice roll the same number. Okay, so this time there are 6 outcomes that are like this. So there's 1, 1, there's 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and 6, 6. So this is 6 different outcomes. So the probability of the same number, I'll just abbreviate like that, is going to be 6 out of 36. I don't care if you guys simplify that or not. It's not a class on simplifying fractions, but if you want to, you could reduce that to 1 over 6. Number 3, the sum of the two numbers is 7. So now you have to look a little more carefully at the table here. So to get a sum of 7, if the first number is 1, then there can only be 6 to give us a sum of 7. So we're going to have this one, and here's another one that sums to 7. So if the first number is 2, then you have to have 5 for the second one to get a sum of 7. And actually, if you look at this table here, you can see that on the anti-diagonal, oops, not that one. I meant to get this one. These are all of the entries that sum to 7. So there are actually 6 different ways to do this. So here I've listed the 6 different outcomes that sum to 7, and the probability just happens to be 6 out of 36, or 1/6 again. The next question, the two numbers are consecutive, like 6, 5 or 3, 4. So again, we can look through the table here and try to find the ones that are like that. Let's see, so 2, 1 and 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5. So the ones on that diagonal. And then there's also, let's see, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 5, 6. So there's those ones as well. And then that looks like it's 10 entries to me, and I'll just type them all out. So we get 10 out of 36, or 5 out of 18 if you want to reduce it. Next, both dice rolling even numbers. So both being even, we can look at the table again here. So we have 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, 4, and 2, 6, 4, 6, 6, 6. They make this kind of little grid pattern. So I think that's 9 possibilities. Okay, and the last one, dice have the same parity, both even or both odd. So for this one, we can include all the ones from the last problem, and then we need the ones that have both numbers being even. You could probably guess that it's going to be the same number of outcomes that have both numbers odd. And so if we look at the table here, we have 1, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, and then 1, 5, 3, 5, and 5, 5. So we just need to write all of those down as well. and then it's going to be 18 out of 36.